the cleaning solution leaves the pump, it travels to the Power Blast Manifold, or PBM. Here it is distributed to the spray nozzles and then blasted at the part's load. To thoroughly remove soil, the cleaning solution must hit all the dirty surfaces. Surfaces that are blasted come clean, and those that are missed remain soiled. Most wash loads are complex. The most difficult of all loads is a basket of randomly loaded nested parts. Each basket load is unique, yet the washing machine must reach the very center of the load. In order to reach all the surfaces, even the deepest recesses and cavities within the wash load. So Stingray provides its patented Power Blast Manifold. The PBM pivots on its vertical axis, driven by a gear motor that produces a 46-degree angle of oscillation and return during the wash cycle. A critical factor is that the sweep speed of the PBM is not synchronized to the rotational speed of the turntable. The result is that the wash load is blasted from a different angle each time it passes the PBM nozzles. The offset upper and lower PBM arms allow each nozzle to blast on its own plane without deflecting the blast from other nozzles in the manifold. This ensures that the maximum amount of energy discharging from the nozzle tips reaches the wash load. The rotating PBM offers several advantages over a fixed manifold. In terms of cleaning results, the most important advantage is the non-synchronous rotation of the PBM and turntable. The recesses and pockets of a wash load that are hidden to a fixed manifold are easily hit in an oscillating PBM that blasts the wash loads at a different angle each time it passes the nozzles. This means cleaner parts. The nozzle placements in the PBM evenly distributes blasted solution throughout the wash cabinet, from the bottom up, across the cabinet, and from the top downward. This cleans all portions of the parts, the top, the center, the sides, and the bottom, and each portion comes clean at about the same time.